Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix no more room in Hell 2 game, crashing or crash on startup. I will show you get the different and effective solution. So try DirectX 11 or 12 if crashing on startup. So simply open up the Steam, then click on the no more room in Hell 2 game, then click on the gear icon, go to your game property. Now here in the launch option just type -dx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, see problem is fixed or not. If not, then completely close the game, then click on the gear icon, go to game property. Now here in the launch option, just type -dx12. Once you type this command, now launch the game, see if all mistakes or not. Still not working, then you can type -d3d11. Now once you type -d3d11, now launch the game, see if all mistakes or not. Still not working, so the next solution that you can try, first completely close the game. So the second solution is check system requirement, ensure your system meets the minimum or recommended requirement. If your system falls below these specs, the game may struggle to run properly. Now the first solution is update or install graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers are a common cause of game launch issues. Here how to update. NVIDIA uses for experience to download the latest drivers or use your NVIDIA website. AMD use Radeon software for updates. Alternatively, visit the official NVIDIA or AMD website, search for the GPU model, and manually download the latest drivers. Choose a clean installation option during the setup. Once you updated your drivers, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem mistakes or not. If not, then verify game file. So open up the Steam, then just click on the game, go to your game property. Now just click on the install files. Now here you will see the option of verify integrity of game files. Click on that. It will take some time, so you just need to wait for it. Then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then you can disable overlays. Overlays such as Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam can sometimes cause crashes. Disable them to see if this fixes the issue or not. Now open up the Steam, then go to game properties. Here you will see the option of Steam overlay. Just turn it off. Now launch the game, see if problem is fixed or not. If Discord is installed on your PC, then just disable the Discord overlay. This is very important. Once you disable the Discord overlay, now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then you can lower graphics setting. If your PC is struggling to handle the game requirements, reduce graphics setting in the game, try turning off shadows, anti-aliasing, or switching to window mode, then check. Still not working, then you can run the game as administrator. So open up the Steam, then just go to your game properties. Now just click on the install file, then just click on the browse option. Now simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your game launcher and you will see the option of properties. Just click on that. Now just go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck this box. Also uncheck this box and then just check this box of administrator. Once you check this box, then click on the apply. Now launch the game, see if problem is fixed or not. If not, then you can check this box of disable full screen optimization. Now also check this box of compatibility mode. Now click on the apply. Now launch the game, see if problem is fixed or not. Still not working, then the next solution is disable background programs. So make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Guys, here simply close all unnecessary background application. Once you close it, now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then you can update Windows. So go to the Windows setup, here the update and open it. Now make sure that your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. So once you updated your Windows, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then reinstall the game as a last resort. Uninstall and reinstall the game to ensure no corrupted files are causing the issue. Now try out the solution and see which works for you, and I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.